packing for my stuff. These are everything I need. I'm gonna put the list here. I have my helmet, my essentials, my deodorant, my sunscreen, and everything. And my Biflu since I'm racing with the sickness. And another plan for later also is to kit claim with my relay teammates and also my sprint bib. And later after, I'm gonna head to my cousin's condo to celebrate my other cousin's wedding bridal showers. This is my outfit. I'm wearing the Orangatry shirt from Reefside, designed by Tita Kate. Tapos I'm wearing my cousin's Zara shorts. Tapos mga golden goose siguro ako for my shoes.
Bagoy, I like it also.
Oh my God! Hi guys! Are you ready? My biker na wala ga training. Tanawa ang line guys. It's so long. My relay team. Our kids. There's Kuya Yago and LL. Okay. Look at these lovebirds. See? Look, this is the Ironman crowd people. Oh my God. Okay, we're now claiming the kids, guys. Hello. Grabe ka busy ate, no? Hi, Kuya Sharky! This is the inclusion of our registration. We have the bag, the bands. On the left side is the 70.3. Tapos the right side is the sprint. Tapos we had like shirts, towels, finisher shirt, and a bag for the transition. Here is my sprint cap and my sprint band. Hi guys! For keeps. Okay, nag-start na ang Guapa Dabawan niya run.
Libre kita na.
Gamay bag. Yay! Thank you, sis! Thank you, sis! This is LL, Kuya Yag, the Jopay, Tails, and Mans. We're gonna buy something to eat or drink. Going back to the expo. Kunalo. What's happening right now? Here's the titas. Hi guys! My vlog. Look, turn around. Ako, turn. Now with Kiki guys, which was so mean earlier. Hi once again. Let's spin.
Hi vlog.
Hi. How did you guys?
Magalis ka na?
Later pa. Grabe ang tao. Hi vlog. Ba't di tayo dito? Tito Chris! Hi guys! I'm just waiting for my mom to reply. Wala ko na video yung kanina. Yung sa ano, God. So ngayon, kaya I'm getting my stuff. Kaya I'm gonna go now. Look at the Dabawennya run. This is it, you guys! Okay, so we're in Afli. Tapos akala namin ang bridal shower was in Matcha. So andito kami. Matcha man yan dyan. Tapos sa Kabagyo pala. We bought her flowers. Hi girls! It's her day today. Day mo pala? Pakita ang cake guys. Tanawa na good ang cake. Hey guys, I'm with my cousins right now. Photo booth sesh. Hello! Hi guys, the bride to be. Almost curfew na guys. Second day. Here's the stitch you guys. Ginalagay ko lang aking sticker sa aking helmet. Gotta put it like so. Boogs, di pantay. Sige lang. My number is 1072. I've already packed my run relay gear, in which I have my shoes, my singlet, and my shorts. And yes, yan lang. Tapos, yan, I'm preparing for my sprint, in which we have 3 different transition bags for the run, for the bike, and
for the street gear, what we're gonna wear after. So, yan lang.
For lunch, I'm having oatmeal with milk, mangoes, and 2 hard-boiled egg whites. Ay lang lang!
Ayan na to, uy.
Hindi naman masyado mainit din ang panahon.
Sig, mabaw ka ng tubig ko nun.
I'm just a girl. So now we're in Ironman. And wala pa aking bike. Sama na akong bike. Mommy. So, what are your thoughts for today? Cool ba? Pero hindi siya masyado as festive as parang last time, no? Kay, alam nyo, last time, guys, thank you. Last time kay meron yung ramp na red dyan. At tapos ang finish line, kay wala pa. Lol. Where's my bike? Budol ata tito ko, guys. Magkano yung discount natin? Uy, namayat ka good! Namayat ka good, tito. So, this is the race bill of Ironman. Woo! Woo! Hana! Hi, ikaw sa aking vlog.
Good luck, good luck.
Thank you so much. This is the crowd. Thank you for picking up my bike. Talking bike, everyone. Ah! Oh my God! Sa loob. We are checking in the highs! Hello! Where's JP?
Mag-una na briefing.
Ay, okay. Sige, bye-bye. Bye-bye. See you. Si Gia yun, everybody. Mas festive ko talaga this year, guys. I swear. Parang nung first year dito sa coastal kay, it wasn't like this. Sabay ka no.
Okay.
Bike check-in na kami. Under age tayo. So ready for tomorrow. We can do this tomorrow, you guys. Yan ang bike ni Nikki. Yan si Tita. I-track ko siya, guys. Yan ang owner. Tapos, si Tito JR. Good luck, everybody! This is her bike. Along with Tito Cheng. Bye! See you later! This is the whole crew, guys. Tapos na kami nag-bike check-in. We're done now with the bike check-in. Ah! Hi, guys! Again! Good luck, guys! Good luck, guys! Okay, maglabas na kami. Then, grabe ka, gulo talaga ng vlog. Hindi ko alam kung paano siya iayos. So, Len, you stop. Okay, guys, grabe ka pa talaga this area, okay? Kasi pangutot. Ah, si pangutot nung ka. Ay, hi! Good luck! Later, pasok kayo sa loob. Hello, everybody. Say hi. Say how, Arnold.
Ay, awaw.
Okay, guys, papasok na kami ulit sa expo. And the goal is to find one stuff. One stuff. What's your one goal? What's your one goal? Oh. This time around, parang mag-chiller siya. Hi, Kuya Shorty. What are your thoughts? May ilok, no?
Good luck on them.
Good luck on them. This is gonna be the fastest swimmer out there, guys.
And give them a good fight.
Wow! So we have different gels here, guys. This is my gel. Tapos they have also parang different cups. Cute ito, oh! Ayaw mo ito i-get? Cute good. Bagay man! Budol! Hi, guys! Is this doing? Budol, guys. I bought mommy. Tira mo, gibili ko kay mommy. White.
Bawal man sila mag-fit.
White ba ni?
Wala siya white.
Purple siya. Bought mommy this sleek white. Because guys, she bought me shades from Ruby Project. It's so bad. But thank you, mommy. Guys, Guys, kinilan niya ako. I'm so kilig right now. All
Window
shopping na
shopping.
sila, guys. Puntahan ko muna mama ko. Thank you, Tix. Pang girls man yan. Oh my God! Jocel! Done with the expo today. Are you excited for tomorrow? Are you ready for tomorrow? Okay.
We headed straight to Cafe Julieta to have dinner and carbo load.
This is room number 1 with Ate Jopay. So, hi guys! Andito kami ulit. Andito na kami sa Cafe Julieta. We have the whole, floor. So, we have the whole floor occupied sa Cafe Julieta. Yan, sila Kuya Sharky. Dito, si Tito Chris. Tas, Kuya Sharky, tas si BJ. Tas dito kay si Mommy, tas ako. Tas dito kay si Kuya Japo, yan, Ate Jopay. Ngayon, kaya gina-arrange ko lang aking mga street gear and all. Gina-recheck ko lang if kompleto yung nasa list ko. So, yes guys! I'm so happy. At dito din kami actually nung 2024. We're in the same room, I believe. We're in the same room, 3rd floor. We have our running bag for my relay run. And this is my transition bag for the sprint. I'll be rechecking it. Tapos I put my stickers na also. Tapos this one, I think street gear. Tapos guys, please, don't forget deodorant kasi bawal mabaho doon. Yeah. DJ, take over. Go.
Okay.
Next.
So, hi vlog. Room tours. Sino dito? And pag-hi sa vlog ni Ikay.
Hi, vlog of Ikay.
Hi. Vlog, nagapack na inyong idol. Yeah.
Guys, sana wala akong nakalimutan.
Pinsan sa inyong idol, guys.
Follow me on TikTok!
Nahiwi. Follow her on TikTok, guys. Kulang kong viewers si Jessica.
Sabo, oy. Ay, gibay. Ay, hindi gibay. Dali dito.
Sige. Ano to?
Bili ni Mommy sa akin.
Wow! O bagay.
Hindi, maganda sa
And stay Kuya Ton for settling the bill kanina.
I just washed my face, removed my makeup, and brushed my teeth. And now I'm gonna write on my journal. I forgot to bring my book. The 6th tomorrow is magising kami around 2 a.m. Then mag-prep na and all. Then we check again everything if we have prepared everything and wala nakalimutan. I'm gonna write, then I'm gonna nap. And sana makatulog ako na early. See you tomorrow on Race Day! Morning! Morning guys! It's Race Day! Grabe ang alarm ni Kuya. Kanina pa yung mga 2:30. Just heated up some water. God guys! It's Race Day! Race Day! Having breakfast. We have oats and peanut butter. Peanut butter with oatmeal, guys. Naligo na kami.
Alam mo, nakulbaan ko.
Bakit man?
Kasi feeling ko tugnaw kay tubig niya.
Bitaw. Maglagay na tayo ng stickers.
i-update.
So, ganyan siya. Dapat ito siya sa side. Always kami chip.
Ato, ano ko na dapat?
First time ko gisuot ang dry suit namin kaya wala ako sa shoot tas wala din ako nakaswear no Friday kaya sakit gani ako no. It's okay. We're so ready guys. Time check everyone. It's 4 o'clock in the morning and we're rushing to Coastal kay mag-close na ang Coastal and hindi na kami makakarpa so we're just rushing right now. Si Kuya. Taming dry suit. So nice! So, this is the crew, the gang. So, papunta na kami sa Coastal. So, meet Jitan, guys! Kuya Jitan from the Aussies. And Tito Chris is...
Doon kayo sa kunahong.
Labas na kami. Let's go, guys! Good morning! Okay, so we're on the way sa transition tent. Pero wala akong kasama. Nawala kang kasama. Ayun. May kasama ko si Mr. 70.3. I'm excited! So excited, you guys! Good luck, good luck, good luck! Morning! We're in the transition bike tent. Are we ready? I'm ready! I am ready! Guys, the goal is to find Nico Bolsico. That's my only goal for today. To have a picture with Nico Bolsico. Yan lang yun. Tapos I'm okay na.
20 minutes.
I'm so excited!
20 minutes.
Hi! Good luck!
20 minutes before we call. Hi, Orangutan Tribe. Good morning. Orangutan Tribe.
This is
Yeah, I made a
Kuya
video for
Yags
this today.
and Ate Jopay. Saan si Gia?
Speaking of bikes, that bike course looks beautiful.
Are you ready?
Drove over it. Yeah. We're not
My thoughts for today. Yes. Hello, so I am arranging my bike,
That is
my
what the
bike
community is all
stuff,
about.
and I am so
We
sick,
have
guys.
the water bottle freedom,
So sick
which is
today.
awesome. That's what the
But
community is all
Lord
about.
guys
Yep.
me through the day.
That's it. Thank you again for
So that's my bike with my transition bag. This is the view, guys.
Sunrise Breakfast Club.
Let's go!
Let's go. Good morning, Orangutan Tribe.
Go, Jessica! Did it! With my team. There's my team. Tapos na namin. Hi, Tita Tart! Magkain na kami.
Grabe ka lamig ng tubig sa...
Congrats! Congrats, Miguel! So now, nasa tent lang kami waiting for our bikers. Ang aking biker kahit mga kilometers na siya. So, 9:30 ang awarding. At the expo, nag-wait kami sa awarding. Kapag na ako. Gutom na ako. Yes! Hello, guys! Thank you, BLK. Naka-get ready with me kami konti. I'm now with the Gen Z people. Grabe ang portalet nila. Pero okay naman. Decent. Decent siya. Hi, El! Congrats, El! El, namayat ka, El! Kita ko si Alden Richard. Nalobat siya. Bawal daw mag-video. Nanang biker! Nanang biker! Ala, 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 ala! Go, go, guys! Go, go! Yay!
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you. Congrats. 1K to go.
Oh my God, guys! I'm done, and here's Will. Say hi to my vlog. Hi! Hi! Congrats sa SM! Congrats! Here's the sits now, guys. Kain na lang kami.
44 to 49 or 45.
Tama. Guys! Now, guys, we're claiming the reward.